Guys, watch to the end. I have a house update
And
at the end.
guys, the answer is no. My friend is not involved any at all. She also got robbed. And if you watch,
Bam! Me I say maximum representing for S&M Jamaica lifestyle, and we are say like, comment, and subscribe.
and I'll tell you the story. You watch this video to the end, guys. Hi guys, this is a following update of building my dream house in Jamaica / Airbnb. So this is me telling my story, what had happened, and guys, thank you all for the tremendous support. So guys, I've seen all your comments, and I must say I really appreciate each and every one of you support who take the time out to like, comment, share, subscribe, and to voice your opinion in the comment section. I really appreciate that. So guys, I know a lot of you thought I was crying on the previous video. It was after I did a 18-hour shift, and as you could see, I was in my nightgown. I was just getting ready to go to bed. My bedtime usually begins around 10 a.m. in the morning. That video was really meant for inspiration, like, don't let anyone stop you from accomplish what you want to accomplish. Don't let anyone steal your dream. Just persevere, push forward. That was the main reason I did that video, you know, to say that you will get robbed, you will work all night. So that was an 18-hour shift. My eyes was, you look at my eyes, it was swelling. My voice was a bit husky. You know, I have a husky voice, but even worse when I want to sleep. I didn't get enough sleep. So that is how hard I work for my money, to achieve my money to build my dream house / Airbnb in Jamaica. And it is very disappointing, very saddened when someone take from you when you have to work some excruciating hours to achieve what you want to achieve. And I've been seeing some videos and the comments, of course. I've seen one comment, I think it was $8 million that one subscriber had been robbed from building his or her dream house in Jamaica. And it is very sad and very disappointing. But like I said before, don't give up. For me, I have a lot of stories that I've been through, and trusting people and getting burnt, you know, getting robbed in the end. So like, I was always very cautious. Like I said in the video, I've been sending my sister to check, I've been sending my son to check, and I have been visiting as often as I possibly could. So that is why I perhaps didn't get robbed more, because to me that is a lot. For me, it is a lot. If I get robbed $100, it is the extra hours that I have to put in at work, sleepless night, something to me that somebody who you trust would just come and take it from you. So video to the end, I will explain to you how both of us ended up getting robbed from the same guy, and she got robbed even more, I would say, you know. But I'll explain some of it in the video. You watch till the end. And guys, thank you so much for the tremendous outpouring support. And guys, I've seen a lot of you have been watching the video and have not been subscribing. Guys, it costs nothing to subscribe. I would greatly appreciate if you subscribe. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the support. Thank you. If I have not been checking on my work site, I could not have realized that he was stealing from us. When I say from us, I mean it wasn't just from me, it was from me and my friend. Like I said, it was my friend Workman. And guys, no, the answer is no. I've seen the comment saying maybe your friend was involved. being is my friend workman. No, my friend was not involved. My friend also got robbed. And it's a long story, but my friend also got robbed. You know, very sad. Besides, it wasn't just, so he was working for both of us. My friend, I would say she got it the worst because I was always checking up. She basically was just left it up to him. I checked up. I don't know, I'm just gonna tell you guys, I don't know if she even bought like a van for him. If he have to go and buy material, he could use it. Mark you, he was the only one that was driving a brand new second-hand van from the car mart. She purchased that for him to get around and to pick up materials and to run errands and all of that. So it wasn't just anyone from the street, it was someone who she trusts and who she recommended to me, because if she didn't know that, she would not have recommended him. This Mark, I'm sure he's on here watching right now. I'm sure, almost sure, because he had subscribed to my channel from in the beginning. So he is not gonna comment. I mean, to let everyone know it is him, and I'm not gonna be showing his pictures, guy. I know you said show him up so everyone could know him. No, I'm not gonna be doing that. In spite of the fact. So yes, my friend had bought him a brand new van, but let the ice start melting, because now he's driving a brand new. Before he was like this little countryman, honest countryman, who would come out and he would work and he would, you know, disciplined man. He had his family and yada yada yada. You know, that's how I saw him. I trusted him. My friend trusted him. Just this little countryman, humble, hardly can talk, very quiet. He got the van, and I think that was what bring the highlight to him. Like, for a man that is working construction and people saw him driving a nice vehicle, they thought, oh, he's making money. So by now you have the girls coming on, and you know, of course, those girls not just coming on for a little countryman, they're just coming on for what? The money. So I think that was where he got distracted, you know, and ended up now his demand is so high that his salary, I mean, he should learn to balance it, but unfortunately it was all new for him, and those girls perhaps take advantage of it. And he's driving a new car, he's running 2 houses, and you know, money coming in. But the thing, when money coming in, he have to be doing the work, and he did not have the time, because he cannot be spending time here and there and spending money and have time for work. So you have to set your priorities straight, and I think that was one of the things that kind of throw him off guard with women. Men out there who is doing their work, focus on your job here, because you see, when the job gone, those younger women who come around for the money, they're not gonna be sticking around when you lose a job. So you have to learn to balance it. A year before I came, I sent him money so that the furniture builder could make a bedroom set. I think it was 200,000 to deposit for between the bed and the dresser. A year he sent me all the design and let me choose, and I sent him the money to make the deposit. And like, I keep asking him, when is the guy gonna be finished? When is the guy gonna be finished? He keep telling me that the guy have a lot of work to do. So it wasn't just like, say, I sent him money to buy materials. There was a lot of other things that was coming up. This now, I sent him money to also make a deposit and a grill, the veranda grill. If you notice in the videos, if you have been watching the video, you'll see one of the side of the veranda did not have any grill. His grill man was to make the grill, which I'd make a deposit to him for, and that I kept getting the runaround just the same. I did not have any contacts for those furniture builder or for the grill man. Luckily for me, when we discovered that he was stealing from us, I went back into my phone and I saw this link that he had sent me, that the grill man had sent him. I click on the link and it opened the whole quotation, the estimate from the grill man, and the grill man number was there. Friend and I called the number. My friend is here. We put the call on three-way. We called the grill man, said, I did not start making any grill. I did not get a deposit from him. I would not make the grill. He already owed me money from previous job. So he was telling you, and I'm telling you, all of this is a year back. So then he was doing this from a year back. We did not know. So all of this would eventually come catching up on him because he would not be able to produce the goods. And he would be giving story and blaming the other tradesmen. So when we call that man, his trustworthy. It's just that with the grill, he still owed me from before and I would not do the grill. And the lady that is building the house for XYZ, and my friend said yes, and the guy still owe me for that grill. I came and installed the grill and he should pay me the balance, and till now we still haven't collected. So now we realize, and we start running the investigation. My friend had sent money to him to pay her NHT bill, the National Housing Trust that's in Jamaica, that's a bill. When she checked it out, he did not call NHT and they said that she owed how much months. And she said, no, but I've paid them. So when she called the workman and asked him, what happened to the bill? So he's sending her all the bills. She said, no, like she would say, what happened to April, May, June, July, August? And he said, well, I'm going to be looking for the bill. I don't know where I put them. And things like companies say, no, this bill did not pay. So then she realized he was the one that took the money and did not pay the bill. She was also making a bedroom set. So she made a plan to make a bedroom set. I also plan to make a bedroom set. I gave him the deposit for the bedroom set. She also gave him the deposit for the bedroom set. He took both of those deposits and was telling us that he's a furniture man holding it up and that they have a lot of work doing. So that was what I'm saying. So it's not like we just leave it up to him. I mean, we let him get away with too much, but like I said, he have van driving, he have the 2 houses working, and he was doing all of that. I'm telling you. I honestly felt like I could trust him, but I still was checking up. So that is why I'm saying, even when you trust someone, still check up on them. You have to. Because if it wasn't for me who had been checking up, my friend would probably lose her property. Because he was not making the mortgage payment. She sent it to him to make. He was not making it. And her bills, you know, like light bill and stuff like that. So guys, no matter how much you trust one person, you still have to do your check up on your thing. Is you working it and people will screw you over. It felt so good to know that in this world there is genuine people who really concern and really care about people. Reading from the comment section, I've seen people from all over the world that have been getting robbed via workmen, even lawyer. Oh my God, even lawyer. I've seen one comment. I've seen you all. I've not been able to respond to all the comments. Like I said, I've been working and you know, it's holiday coming up, so things are a bit busy, but I'll answer all the comments as soon as I get a chance to. But guys, thanks for the support. Don't forget to continue to support, like, comment, and share, guys. Share, so that it could spread the word across for person who is still building or who is thinking about building. But like I said, do not be discouraged, you know. Do not be discouraged, and people will always try. You know, you're setting up a building block and each time you reach to the top it stumble down. Don't give up, continue to build those building blocks. Guys, like I said, the dream must continue. So now I'm gonna be showing you the updates and the project. So just watch along and we're gonna take you through the different phases that we reach belting, yeah guys, we reach belting, the column finish, and you will see where we're at in the video. So now we are going upstairs on the second floor. And we enter in from this side. We have 2 entrances, so every apartment have its own entrance. I should say every side. So this is where they dig out. I think they're gonna be connecting some pipe from upstairs. They didn't do that before, they should have, but now they're connecting it. This is where they're gonna put some column, and this is a doorway. This door is a bit wide so that when we're coming up the step we don't have problem getting the furnitures in. Here, so right there is gonna be an arch, and we're gonna have the kitchen there. So we had to relocate, so don't watch the pipes. The kitchen is gonna be here. Let me show you from this side. Kitchen is gonna be here, and you're gonna have the living and dining here. The guy's still working, so you will see board and everything. Everything is complete. We also have a barrel of water. So from this, so there is a kitchen and the living. On this side is the right side. And then you're gonna have a passageway. My God, I'm tongue twister. We're gonna have a passageway, and we're gonna lead into the bathroom. The bathroom have a window as usual. The bathroom may look small now, but it's a good size bathroom. That's the bathroom. Still have some blocks. And we are gonna have, so like I said guys, you cannot allow dishonest people to stand in your way of achieving what you want to achieve. So you're going to move forward regardless of what you go through. You pick up the pieces and you move on. It said 7 times rise and 7 times fall. You never give up because of those people. And if you don't start building it, don't watch dishonest people start building your project. You just have to be vigilant. Always have an eye out. Or I should say many eyes, because you have people watching out for you as well as you watching out for yourself. So guys, we have crazy rush over the holiday. So now that the holiday is done, I'm going to be pushing out more video, and I'm going to be showing you the further update of the work that we have been doing through November, December. So I'm going to be sending out those videos, guys. So those of you who have not subscribed, please feel free to do it. Turn on your post notification and you'll be seeing the full update. So right here we have kitchen, another kitchen. Electrician start chopping out the wall there, and everything is belted. This is gonna be the kitchen on this side, and from the kitchen you have the dining. We're also gonna have a arch right here. From the kitchen we're gonna have the dining. This is where the staircase is gonna be. So we're gonna dismantle this one, and this is how we have to be using top the sink and everything, and the water still reaching downstairs. So I know it's just for a time once I get money to finish the upstairs. And as you notice, some of the belting they're still on the left side. And we also have a lot of gravel up here that we're gonna also have another veranda. So we have this gravel up here. We were planning on decking some part of the roof and doing the fancy roof on some part. But guys, when I checked the material, they were so expensive. So So we had to go back to plan B. So now we have these gravel and sand. We're gonna have to throw them off the upstairs and hire the concrete truck. You will see it in other video coming up where we hire the concrete truck, because I think that is more it's use up less time to hire the concrete truck instead of having day man doing it. The truck come in one day and they complete the entire thing. It might be a little bit more expensive, but it worked out in the end.
Yes, so as you can see, this one is a bathroom. One of the bathroom. Alright, so this is bedroom number 1, and they finished the columns, belting, and this is it. The work must go on, right? Work continues.